Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to create a 404 page in Node.js HTTP module, right? So a 404 page is what? Basically, it is shown when someone visit a URL that don't exist on your website, right? So in that case, we use this 404 page. Now we are going to create it, or basically we will use it with the help of the HTTP module in this particular lecture, right? So for that, first of all, let's create the server. Let's write const HTTP equals to require, put the bracket here. Inside of this you will write HTTP, right? HTTP, like this. After that, you also need to require one more module, that is file system. So write const fs equals to require, put the bracket here, and fs, like this. Got it? Now after doing this, like after importing this HTTP and fs, now we are going to start our main thing. That is, first of all, we will create the server. So http dot create server. Is I'm doing something wrong here? Okay, require method is wrong. Okay, yeah, require, like this. That's why it is not showing me the options here, like yes. So we are having http dot create server. After that, inside this we will create a callback function like request comma response, right? Inside of this we will write our port, but before that, let's make our server to listen at the port. So server dot listen, put the bracket here. We want our server to listen at the port number 3000, so I'll write 3000 here. 3000. After that, a callback function will look like this, the arrow function, like, right? Now inside of this, basically we will write okay, yeah, make it inside the server variable, right? And then we will use it and convert it to s, like this. So yeah, now it is correct. Now inside of this we'll write console dot log, put the bracket inside of this, server started at port 3000, like this. So this is the complete template. You can see now we are going to deal with the like 404 page. So I want that every time when the user visit on the wrong URL, right, I want to show them a new page where there is written that you are on the wrong page, right? So for that I will create a HTML file like 404.html, right? For the 404 condition, I want to create this HTML file, and I'll paste the code for the HTML. You can see here I'm having a head, basically in which the title is 404 page not found. After that, I'm having the style. This is the basic style. You can change it as per your need also. I have written something for you all to understand, right? You can copy this also. Now after that, inside the body we are having the head as 404. After that, a paragraph where it's saying that you are searching the wrong page, and then an anchor tag to take you back to your home page, right? This is what we have written here till now. Now after that, let's go to the script.js file. Now inside of this, let's start building our logic, right? So first of all, if the request.url equals to basically slash, that is home page, right? In that particular case, you do what? You write response dot write head bracket. Inside of this, you write 200 and content type, and I think I'll put the extra bracket. There's no need of this second bracket. Yeah. Now after this, I will write application slash JSON, right? So this is basically not JSON. I'm so sorry. This should be just I will say that in case of the home page, you just do what? You just do the HTML part, right? So I will write that text slash HTML, right? And after that, we will write response dot end, and inside the bracket I will put the HTML code here, that is h1 tag slash h1, like this. And inside of this I will say welcome to the home page, like this. Can you see? Now similarly same will we will do with the about also. So let's just copy it from here and paste it here. I think it's not get copied. uh, Paste, yeah. So after that we are searching for the about. So request.url, if the request.url is about, in that particular case you just do what, welcome to the about page, right? Now after that here you also need to put the else, right? Else if, and in the end I'll say that if you are not searching the home and the about and you are searching any other thing, in that particular case my website or my project will give you a 404 page, right? So for that we are going to use this fs module, because for the 404 page we have made a html for that separate, right? So let's do that. For that we will write fs dot read file like this, put the bracket here. Inside of this we will write 404 dot html like this. Why this 404 dot html? Basically this is the address, right? This is the address. You can write the path if you have written it somewhere else or some other folder. You can define the complete path for that also. Now after that we get a callback function like this. Now here are two different parameters, one is err and the second is data, right? Now inside this response dot write head response dot not comma. Now put the bracket here. Inside of this you'll write 404 comma content type, right? Content type as basically the text slash html like this. Got it? Now after that in the end just send the response, that is data. What is this data? The data that is coming from this particular file, right? That is getting stored inside this data, and that's what we are going to print. So response dot end, in that you write the data like this. I hope you understood the concept till now. This is the complete code for that. Now let's see that whether it is working or not. So let's start it, right? So let's first save it and then go to the terminal. Node script.js, press enter. Now going to the website like this, and on the browser now I will search localhost 3000. When I press enter you can see I'm getting welcome to the home page, right? Now if I go to slash about, in that case I'm getting welcome to the about page. Now if I write anything random here like this, right, and when I press enter you can see now I'm getting a complete 404 page, right? And if you write anything except that, like contact, we have not defined the contact also. So press enter, you are getting this particular 404 page here also, right? And when you click on this anchor tag, basically go back home. Let's click here, you came back to your home page, right? So this is how we deal with the 404 page in the HTTP module in Node.js. And this is the complete lecture about it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.